What's up guys? Today's video I will show you how to make your Bitmoji Purple. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. So first, let's open our Bitmoji app. So this emoji app is available both in Android as well as in iOS. So what I'm gonna do now is to show you how I make my Bitmoji Purple. So first, I will change the skin tone of my Bitmoji to purple. Let's scroll down and choose this purple one. I like how it looks now. Next, let's go to hair. Let's just say I want to add some highlights to it. Let's go to the headwear. Well, I like this cap. The color complements with my skin tone. Body type, I'm okay with that. So next, let's just explore with the options in here. Okay, outerwear, I want this purple jacket to emphasize the color purple. So once you are satisfied with how it looks, then just go ahead and click Save Avatar. Now your stickers will reload and will be replaced with the purple Bitmoji that we've just added. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. So please like and subscribe. That will really help us create more videos like this for you. Thanks for watching and bye for now.